show, everybody. Let's continue this New York morning session and see what's happening. Green, what's up? Adam, welcome. Üdvözöllek. Let's see. Let's see. We have the opening of this candle at 20, so we are in a demand zone here. I forgot to add this 5-minute demand zone. I'd love to see this going through and go down for that 942. I think I can go with that. All right, so I entered the short position. Don't worry, it's not just because we opened up the stream, but I was looking for this. This is a small trade. Kind of based on the indicators, which I'm still testing, but don't worry, it's fine. Still kind of testing it. 144. Yeah, let's go with that. 140 ish down there. All right, that's fine. What I'm looking for is that 982, and maybe we leave a runner. So I'm looking for midnight area right now. But I'm gonna let you guys know why I did this, like why I chose to enter on this position. Maybe I should have done that, but it's because it's a small position. I'm still kind of curious if the market wants to go lower. We created the London low also at 942. I really want to see a sell-off here happening. So as for now, what we have here is this. So this is the trade, and kind of hoping that we can get back to that midnight area. That is it. Yeah, let's see. Is everything lined up? Yeah. Everything is perfect. Anyone has any other trades? Let us know. Let me know. Oh, you guys don't see it. Okay, let me just... Okay, now it's better. That's better. Kind of want to see if the market wants to shift to the downside again, or is it just going to continue higher? I mean, we're still in a bullish trend on the higher time frames, like the 15, the 1 hour. That's true. But we'll see. Long on NQ. All right. I think you have a good chance for it because we are being rejected on this 5-minute demand zone. So the 5-minute is definitely pushing this up there as a rejection, and I think we can definitely hit my stop loss. So Yeah, it wants to go for that 52, I think. Man, I might gonna get out from this position, maybe. This is nasty. I thought that it's gonna drop, but it's a nice push. At least, I mean, talking about the initial reaction of a demand zone, this is it. And if the market really wants to push it higher, we should be leaving that 52 up there. So now is the decision point. Back into that fair value gap. What's going to happen now? Is it going to push through 52 or sweep some liquidity? I guess it will. Might going to close my position maybe. Let's wait. Let's just wait a little bit. Randall, hello. Limit to buy at 994. Yeah, I feel like my position should be closed here. It's just a small position, but this reaction, this was a very strong reaction. And we still have time from the silver bullet hour, and obviously we still have one more hour until lunch. But like 37, 52, I think it wants to go through. It is what it is. Caesar, welcome. Interesting. Interesting. Let me go back to the trade here. Let me know what you guys think. Picking up liquidity from this gap. It technically did not invert this bearish fair value gap yet, but it kind of looks like it wants to. All right. Quick check on gold. Wow. Okay. 5-minute supply zone is broken. And nothing else that we can go with. There's no zone up there. And up there. Nothing. Just gonna wait until 80. I'm not even looking to go long on gold. If we go out to the 1 hour time frame, I actually would love to see some further decline below 3,900. That would be interesting. Look at the 5-minute on NQ. This is not random. This is pushing it up there. Methodical man is here. I wish it would happen. Hey, what's up, Methodical man? In the flesh. Celebrity. What just happened? Nothing. All right. Celebrity Methodical Man. How are you? How's the trades? You full ported the market. I know. Yesterday's rise extended the market, although bullish needs to reset. Yeah, maybe. Looking for a bounce? I think the bounce just happened in this demand zone. I'm still holding that short position. I might gonna close it now. It's getting closer to that swing high at 51. The 5-minute is... it looks like it wants to take it. But we'll see. Gap fill. Maybe. Maybe. It's so hard to decide what to do. I mean, I know what to do, but it just feels bad to be on the wrong side here. I'm sitting in this short position. A gut feeling tells me that it's gonna push that 52. So I think I'm just gonna, or maybe I should just close it, but you know what? I don't know. Oh, well, let's just wait. David, welcome. All is good. We had a nice trade on gold earlier, and now I'm just kind of hopped into a short on NQ. I think it was, I mean, it wasn't early. I followed the rules, but you ever trade off the wrong chart? Yeah. Now comes the push here. Maybe not. Yeah, there comes the push. I'm closing my trade. Closed it down. We'll be looking for the next best thing. Unfortunate. I think it should be pushing for a sweep, maybe. But other than that, it's really hard to say. Or could be going for that 26. I don't know. Hard to say. Yeah, maybe now it's gonna drop down. Unfortunate for me, right? Hey, Michael. Hey, thank you, thank you. Well, we were fooling around a little bit, but yeah, you gotta keep the vibes positive, right? That's the goal. Late cycle, yeah, gotta be careful. Could be squeezing both sides here. Could be just going lower than 19 or maybe pushing up above that 50. Pretty much in the middle of nowhere. There is a level at 51 with a small 15-minute fair value gap if it wants to take it. I don't know, but it's dangerous for sure. Let's check on gold. Okay, gold is pushing. Interesting. Well, we have the new hour in almost in 2 minutes, so we should see some sort of a sweep real soon. We'll be curious if it wants to go back down to 26K. Greed is good, Gordon Gekko, until he got burnt big time, right? Yeah, they look ugly. Yeah, definitely they look ugly. So it's hard to say. And we still have some time until 11. I feel like it wants to sweep lower though. Yeah, it does. So gotta be careful with this. Let's see. We have 30 seconds until 11. Just curious if it wants to sweep some levels down there or not. And here we go, new hourly candle. Nothing so far. All right, still holding. Like, is it one that there's a small gap on the 15-minute? Do you guys think it wants to sweep that? I'm wondering. Which is, by the way, at 52. I don't know. There's a gap there. So that's interesting. Yeah, that would be good to know. That would be good to know. Well, we're technically still in the macro. And as I said, I don't know how many positions are stuck above the 52 or above the 50s. Or how many traders wanted to go short. I'm just kind of watching now. What's it going to do? And if I see something, we'll try to do something. Feels bullish, but you never know. Let's see that level on the mini. So there's a level here, which is definitely not far. Okay. I'm not long. I'm not long. I was in a short. I was in a short and I closed it down. So I'm down $170 on one of my funded accounts. Not the one that I took the gold trade earlier, but I was kind of waiting for a short opportunity to go down to 20, actually down to the midnight level, but I don't think it's going to happen. It's just not happening. Bet on the pump, right? By the way, if you guys can help out the channel, can you please smash the like button and let's just show YouTube that we're here. Thank you so much. Let's push a few likes there. Thank you, thank you. Took 52 level up there. Oh, you see, that's the problem, because I had a signal as well. Like, I had no other intention here, just to break this zone and then get to the midnight level. But now we have a liquidity sweep and it kind of feels like it wants to go down again. It took liquidity from that 15-minute gap. So I would assume that it wants to go lower, but it's really not showing any signs of that. We gotta wait. We gotta be a little bit more patient with this. Okay, swept to 52. Now what? Are we gonna go down into this level or not? Let's see. The zone, yeah, it's right at 26. Okay, 1 point higher than 26. Michael says bias is long there. Okay, institutional order flow entry drill. Okay. Huh. I see. Yeah. Let's see. My bias is a little bit, you know, I'm more like onto the short side of this. So I guess we'll see. Smart money only buys down close candles. Oh yeah. What does that mean? So down close candles, which means they're yeah, so okay. Down close candle. All right, now we had the buy here, it's going up, so then it sells up close candles, right? Yeah. Okay, that being said, we have some great levels down there. The waiting game again. If we can get through this level, I will love that. But look at all these wicks here. Rejection all the way here. Feels like it's 20,007. What? Or 2007. Yeah, it feels like 2007 before the crash, right? Yeah, I know you meant. It's just really so high. And by the way, look at the charts. Just a second. Quick phone call. All right. Think about our time also. Oh yeah, John, it's definitely not the ideal time to trade. I know that. It's not ideal to trade approaching lunch hour. So I was expecting that we might see a drop down to 26, but it's not happening yet. Yeah, still hovering on the 1 minute here. Now this could be a possible trade here. Peter, hello. Let's see the 5 minute. It's not. If it trades below the 5 minute, like trades down to 32.75, this could be a potentially good entry. And I like that 26k area. I think that could be a possible draw on liquidity. All right. I took a short. Only with a few micros, nothing special. And we'll see how it goes. My entry is a little bit early, but I still want to see this go lower. I'm sitting here and I hear nothing. Margin call, yeah. I love that line. Now I hear nothing. Just silence. Ivan, hello. Yeah. Just silence. I think Jeremy Irons did a great job in that movie. I think he and Kevin Spacey is carrying that movie. Absolutely. Even though Jeremy Irons has only like a few scenes there, like 2 or 3 major scenes, and I still think that his character is the one that is carrying the whole situation. The 2 Pope? Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. So unfortunately, I mean, the 5-minute candle did not close bearish. I mean, it closed bearish, but did not trade lower than the previous bullish candle, so that's not a good sign. We'll see. We shall see. It doesn't want to drop, unfortunately. Please dive. This is a $200 risk on my end, so I don't know if I want to risk more if I lose this trade, so we'll see what happens. I really thought that it wants to bounce, or it wants to go down to the 26 and destroy that zone down there, but it's just not doing it. Not yet. Gold is pushing like there's no tomorrow. Exactly, David. So I can afford to lose this. It's fine because I made profit today anyway on the other account. So I'm fine with this, but it's just still, you know, kind of annoying. Market structure shift on ES. Yeah, look at that. Higher prices, yeah. Most likely I can I mean, I think that's something that can happen here, unfortunately. It's just interesting that it did not go down to test that 26. It was close. Now it just wants to continue. And again, now it repriced this 1 minute gap. Let's see what is the decision from the market on this one. It's not a tradable market. I agree. I agree. Smart money reversal. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is going to take me out. All right. We'll see. Taylor Marsh, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Hey, what's up? 1045 created a bit breaker. Yeah, it did. It did. I just, thought that, this zone got mitigated once. Why not go down and destroy the zone? Why not do it? Five minute is barcoding going sideways. Still have time until lunch hour, but so far not the market I was looking for. Let's see. Yeah, everybody's waiting for Powell, maybe. Hey, Mahavir, what's up? Welcome. Flying back to Europe. Oh, from India. Let's go. Summer to winter. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the weather could be, I mean, it's good there, right? I mean, it's definitely not cold. Yeah, this market is just not good. ES dropping. Quick check on ES. Yeah. I'd love to see ES drop all the way down there. Gold is still pushing. Let's see. You know, at this point, I'm just willing to let this go, like closing the trade as it is, and I don't care. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this. I'm just willing to let this go. Hold on. Feels like it wants to break higher. It's gonna sweep that bearish pin bar up there. Alright, I'm closing the trade. I closed it. I'm flat. Closed my trade. Close the trade and we'll see what happens. I don't care about this. 56, there's a level at 56. There's a 5-minute bearish pin bar here at 11. Sort of feels like look at all these are all inside bars here. Like this is the mother bar and these are inside bars. Mother bar, inside bar, inside bar. Went lower. Now it just feels like it wants to break higher than 56. I don't like it. So here on the 5-minute, inside bar. Still in the same range. Here you go. So this is what's happening. Another great line. Let us know another great line. We need a great line from margin call. What a range here. What a range. Still have 33 minutes until lunch hour. Oh yeah, 87. Jesus, that effed me up. I love when he talks about those dates, you know, and when he talks about like this is gonna repeat over and over. The same thing is gonna happen or something like that. I love those lines. Dominic, welcome. We can't help ourselves. You know, that's what he said. We can help ourselves. Yeah, most likely ES is going to be better. What happened, Dominic? Come on. Don't say that. I mean, it's definitely a difficult market. And look at this range here. Unbelievable. Absolutely un-freaking believable. Let's quickly check on the mini. Interesting, like on the mini, this bearish pin bar is not up here, but still it's... what was the low here? 33, 32. Okay, so this one picked the low. I feel like this one can go higher. Up to that 56, who knows? Down 325 today. I think it's a good time to stop there, Dominic. It's not a big deal. You can make it back. It's not a big deal. Yeah. Trying to understand what this market really wants right now. Because we have the new 5, the new 15, and the new 30-minute candle. It's kind of interesting to see what is going on, you know. Not trading, yeah. FOM, everybody's waiting for FOMC. Everybody wants to know what's happening there. Okay. Well, as long as we're still in this range, I like to see either the 32 or up there above the 56 to be broken, or at least tagged, sweeping some liquidity maybe. Otherwise, there's not much to do with it. FOMC will deliver a gap. I think so too, by the way. I think there's a good chance for it. Set it all today. Can we even do that? Yes, but at what cost? And you know, where is this gonna come back at us? Everywhere. Everywhere. Where is this gonna come back at us? Everywhere. I really like that. Okay, now we took out some lows here. Okay, so is it maybe a situation where it wants to go lower? I think it could. Can we go back down to the zone? I have to pay. Yeah, I'll have to pay. I'll have to pay. I love that movie. Feels like it wants to sweep that 20. Down there. Not really sure. There's a swing low there. But I'm not sure about that, if that's the goal. Let's wait and see. So there's a 20, but I just don't know that if it wants to sweep that or not. It's just difficult to see. And that was right there in that zone. We have a new 5-minute candle in a few seconds. So let's wait and see. Maybe I can jump in, but I don't know. I think everybody wants to see some higher time frame level to be tagged. We still have Asia low down there as a possible support level, or sorry, Asia high acting as a possible support level. I just don't know. I don't know. This feels weird because I had no entry. I mean, this... I mean, to be honest, the indicators are giving me a sell signal here to go short on this candle. So I don't know what I should do. I think we should see that 26 down there. Yeah, this is not tradable. Yes, it's absolutely not tradable. I wish it would be, but it's not. And you know, talking about entries, gold is still going. Yeah, I mean, this is pushing. Nothing on the 15. I can't do anything with gold. The only thing I had was here, which I was hoping that we will get something, but it's not happening. I guess it's just better to leave it at that. I don't know. Feels weird. It definitely feels weird. Now it feels like it just wants to go for that 56, you know. On the 5-minute. Look at that. 50, what's the high of this candle? 56.50. That's weird. That's just weird. So again, we had the liquidity sweep rejection from the demand zone, and we have a mother bar here with the rejection up there. I don't know. It's untradeable. It's untradeable. It definitely is. Paper trade, yeah. Yeah, Dominic. Solo trades. Yeah. Yeah, we're still here. We're still here. I'm trying to figure out if this one wants to actually break that level. That 56 up there. But what a sweep. Feels like this market is just destroying everybody. I think there are orders above that 56. We all were liquidity. I agree with you on that one, by the way. We were all liquidity. But anyway, I think I'm not gonna jump into anything. I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna call it here. It's a difficult day. I just can't do anything with this. So thank you everybody for spending the day here and the AM session. It's just impossible. You just, you know, look at the 5 minutes. You can't do anything with this. It's impossible. So thank you so much. I'll be back tomorrow for London session and for New York as well. It's just bad, yeah. So thank you again. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO for MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, TRADEIFY as well for instant accounts, Lucid Trading, FundingTicks, you know, EBPVUZHX funding also, and everything. FundingTicks network still has the buy one get one for free. Get daily payouts with TRADEDAY and Take Profit Traders. So thank you so much for supporting and using the code. It's the same everywhere. And thank you. God bless you all. I'll be back for tomorrow, London. All right. Cheers, everyone. God bless.